BMW X3 2019, working on the speaker replacement. What we can do, we can put plug-and-play speakers that fit directly into the socket. However, this car came with a basic sound system, basic BMW sound system, which doesn't have tweeters. The problem is, if you want to have good sound, you must have tweeters. Fortunately, we have a solution for this. This is an original BMW tweeter dome. We can supply these now. Fits directly over there, and as we're using plug-and-play speakers, this tweeter clips right back in to this socket. Hence, it can be quite easy to make from a very basic sound system something way better. It's all plug and play using harness that leads from the head unit all the way at the back. That's the bundle that comes to the back, where there's waiting a match amplifier, which in this case is not a replacement of an original amplifier. There wasn't any to begin with, so we're putting this one in and basically just plugging stuff in. Voila, sounds on. Next, what comes in is tuning of the system. But before I even get to tuning anything, I want to check the output signal from the dash unit in this software that has an inbuilt input signal analyzer. The green line represents the current signal, and it's totally messed up. So before I get to tuning this signal, I'm trying to make it as flat as possible so it's easier to work with the signal later on. And this is as good as I can get on the front left channel. That's it. Now I'm gonna have a look at the front right channel. Here comes the final output signal from the head unit tuned up. Now I can jump on the actual tuning because my input signal is now flat. So I've done the tuning, and this is just the results where I can see all single channels frequency response. And we're done here. The BMW is ready. I definitely like the sound of it. And if you have the same problem that you own a BMW whatever series and you don't have tweeters and would like to improve the sound, we have a great solution for it, and we can do it all in-house. So you can send us an email, text me a message, go to our website, Facebook, Instagram, anywhere you like. Just let me know and I'll have a look what I can do with your car. And yeah, definitely looking forward to improving more cars around Sydney.